If you've done your downward dog yoga pose today, you're probably feeling more relaxed. Regardless of your level of yoga expertise, if you're practicing regularly, you can feel better from head to toe. Yoga offers physical and mental health benefits for people of all ages. That's the Way brings you some of very useful yoga exercise to uplift your mood, health, immunity, and physical fitness. Our most experienced yoga teacher will take you through from beginner stage to more advanced exercise. Let's start and benefit from this ancient art of Hindu sannyasis therapies.
Namaste. Welcome to beautiful this practice today. Let's start with sumo pose. Bring your hands on the mat and then extend right now, look forward. Then come again, sumo. Look forward. Inhale and exhale, extend both knees. Slowly again, sumo. And extend. Look forward. Slowly bring your hands on the mat. Inhale and exhale, extend. Then slowly come to plank pose. Take a deep breath. Then slowly bring your left leg, right leg. And extend, come to again plank. Bring your right leg, left leg, again sumo. Right leg, left leg, plank. Slowly come to again sumo pose. Lift your head. Then again plank. Inhale. Exhale. Sumo pose. Bring your hands on the mat. Bend your knees. Look forward. And then come to goddess pose. Look forward. Then come to goddess pose. Two more. Goddess. And then bring your hands. Last one. Inhale. Goddess. Slowly bring your hands on the mat. Come to downward facing dog. This is your first downward facing dog. Just walk, make paddle here, bend your knees, relax your full body, relax your shoulders, every part of your body. A little bit walk and then bring your left foot on the mat, lift your left arm to the sky. And slowly come to plank, downward facing dog. And bring your right foot, drop your left elbow, extend your right arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Come to your neutral pose, downward facing dog. Switch your side, again come to dragon twist. Inhale, last one, switch your side, downward facing dog, again dragon twist on your right. Drop your hips. Perfect. Again, slowly walk a little bit here and then jump to forward, come to both pose. Bend your knees, extend your legs, lengthen your spine. And again, bring your hands on the mat, then jump to downward facing dog. Again, look forward, jump to on the mat and both pose. We are gonna do this 5 times. Then again, downward facing dog. Bend your knees. Then again, let's do both pose. Lift your arms Bend your knees. Then slowly again downward facing dog. Let's do. Come to both pose. Extend your legs, arms. If it's possible, inhale and exhale. Then right now come to yogi squat, malasana. So open your knees with your elbows. Lunge your spine. And then bring your left hand on the mat. Extend your right arm to the sky. Inhale. Look at the sky here. And exhale, switch your side. Bring your right hand on the mat. Extend your left arm to the sky. And then slowly come to downward facing dog again. So bring your left leg forward for the pyramid pose. Then extend both legs. So slowly come to high lunge. Arms up, drop your hips. Then again pyramid. Inhale, arms up slowly. High lunge. And drop your body for the pyramid. Inhale, arms up, come to high lunge. And exhale, slowly come to downward facing dog. Just relax here. Let's do on your right. Slowly bring your right leg forward for the pyramid. Extend both legs. Drop your head. Drop your upper body. And slowly arms up. Find your balance. And drop your upper body towards your right leg. Inhale. Then exhale, high lunge. And slowly drop your upper body. Then last one, arms up. Come to downward facing dog again. And then come to child pose. Rest a little bit. Look forward. Then cobra. Lift your head. And again, child pose. Look forward. Drag yourself to cobra. Open your heart. And slowly come to child pose. Let's do this 5 times. And drag yourself to cobra. Lift your head. And come to child pose. Open your legs, knees. Drop your hips. Look forward, drag yourself, lift your head, then drop your hips for the child pose. Again, come to tabletop. Let's do Ashtangasana here. Drop your chest slowly and your hips are enough. Push yourself, again come to tabletop. Let's do this pose 5 times. Slowly drop your chest. You can bring your chin on the mat. And then slowly push yourself. Come to tabletop. So I know this is not easy. Slowly drop your chest on the mat and push yourself to tabletop. Then again Ashtangasana. And push yourself to tabletop. Let's do. Drop your chest, look forward, bring your chin on the mat, then push yourself. And exhale, drop. Then come to tabletop again. Slowly drop your body. And here, open your heart for the Bhujangasana Cobra pose. And let's do downward facing dog. Then plank, chaturanga, cobra. Open your heart to cobra. And slowly downward facing dog. Plank, drop your body, chaturanga, and lift your head for the Bhujangasana. Then downward facing dog, then plank, then chaturanga, Bhujangasana. Then slowly downward facing dog, and plank, drop your body, and Bhujangasana. And slowly downward facing dog, plank, chaturanga, Bhujangasana. Downward facing dog, plank, drop your full body, chaturanga, and Bhujangasana. And slowly, let's come onto your center. Just be relaxed, inhale, and come to sumo pose again, and then tabletop. Let's do this flow. Sumo, look forward, then tabletop. Sumo, look forward, tabletop. Sumo, tabletop. Inhale, sumo, and tabletop. Sumo. Then last one, look forward. Last one more. Inhale, exhale, and slowly, yeah, you deserve this. Relax your full body. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come to shavasana. Relax your full body. Open your legs, open your arms, relax your head, relax and soft your full body. So drop everything, let it go. Your eyes, eyebrows, your legs. And enjoy at this time with yourself here. Namaste.